Hi class, today we're going to be drawing a cityscape with a reflection. Here are some examples. Okay, now let's look at some photographs of some cityscapes. So notice that the buildings are different heights and different shapes. Okay, look at this one. You can see the reflection in the water. And here's one more. Okay. So you're going to be folding your paper in half, and it doesn't matter which way. If you want it to be tall like a building, you can fold it in half and then draw your buildings up at the top. Or if you want it to be long like a train, you can fold it in half that way. Okay? Let me get the piece of paper. I'm going to fold mine this way. Okay, once you've folded your paper, you're going to get a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie just so that you can see my lines. And you're going to trace that line, that crease down the middle. Okay, then you're going to fill up the top of the paper with different shapes of buildings. You can come up with your own designs. You can even Google what some buildings look like. In Dallas, they have that building that has the big circle up at the top. Okay, once you're done drawing all of your buildings up at the top, if you have a Sharpie, you can trace it. If not, that's fine. You're going to color all of the buildings. Okay, the only places you want to leave white are like clouds, because if you don't have color up here, then it's not going to print down here. Next, you're going to spray the bottom with water, and if you don't have a spray bottle, you could use a sponge and then just gently wet the paper. If you don't have a sponge, you could use your fingers, or you could use a little paper towel. You could even use a paintbrush to wet the bottom of the paper. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some more water. And then you're going to fold the picture in half and be very careful to line up the corners. And then you're going to give it a good massage, a gentle massage. You want to press down all over to make sure that the color transfers to the bottom. And that did not work. There we go. So I'm going to add some more water. And there's my reflection. So you want to leave the paper flat on the table to let it dry. And then once it's dry, you can pick it up. Okay? And that's all.